Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert speech to text in Python. Now let's move to the prerequisites. You must have pip and Python installed in your system. First we will install speech recognition library in our system which will help us convert speech to text. Guys, open your terminal and type pip3 install speech recognition and press enter. We have now successfully installed speech recognition library. I have divided this video in two parts. One is how to convert audio file into text and how to convert live speech into text. If you only want to know how to convert live speech to text, I have provided the timings here and also provided in the description. Now let's begin the first part. We will now create a new Python file and import the speech recognition library. Open your text editor and type import speech underscore recognition as SR and save it. Save it in the directory where your audio file is. Next, we will store the audio file in a variable and initialize the recognizer. Type file name is equal to open quotes. In quotes, type the file name. In my case, it is speech.wav. Press enter and type R is equal to sr.recognizer in the bracket. Open the bracket, close the bracket, and save the file. Now we will write the code to convert speech to text. Type with audio file in the bracket file name as source colon, press enter. Audio data is equal to R record in the bracket source. We have now stored the recorded data in this variable. Now we will create a variable which will store the text. Type text is equal to r dot recognize underscore Google in the bracket audio data, and here with audio type sr dot audio file. Press enter. Now we will print the text. Type print in the bracket text and save the file. We have now successfully written the code. Now let's run the terminal and type Python and your file name. In my case it is speech1.py and press enter. Here's the text. We have now successfully completed the first part. Now let's start the second part. First we will install PyAudio library in our system. Open your terminal and type pip3 install PyAudio. It will take few seconds to install PyAudio library. Meanwhile, you can subscribe our channel. We have now successfully installed PyAudio library. Let's move to the coding part. Create a new Python file and type import speech underscore recognition as SR. This line imports the speech recognition library. Next, we will specify the recognizer. Type R is equal to sr dot recognizer. Open the bracket, close the bracket, and save the file. Next, we will print please talk to inform the person that the recording has started. Next, type with sr dot microphone as source colon and press enter. Next we'll specify the recorded file in a variable. Type audio underscore data is equal to r dot record in the bracket source comma duration is equal to 5. This line will record your message for 5 seconds and store it in audio data variable. Next we will print recognizing. Now we will store the recognized text in a variable called text. Type text is equal to r dot recognize underscore Google in the bracket audio data. Next we will print the text. Type print in the bracket text and close the bracket and save the file. Guys, now let's test the file. Type Python and your file name. In my case it is live underscore speech dot py. Now we will say hello to test the file. Now press enter. Hello. Hello. Now it is recognizing our speech. Here's our output. Guys, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I have provided the full code in the description. You can check it out.